What's up, traders? Welcome to live trading session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We'll be doing live trading, live analysis, everything live. So make sure you stick till the end. As you know that there will be two very important high impact news release. Just one is 15 minutes later, another one is an hour later on euro. So euro going to be volatile, and we could find a significant trading opportunity. So I want you to pay full attention to it. As you know that after the news release, normally there is a good trading opportunity. So we'll discuss it as soon as I find a good trading opportunity. I'll share with you. So if you are trading euro, then definitely you will be benefited. The only thing, before I start, make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Use the chat area on the right side to write whatever you want to write and whatever request you have. Analysis, if you have any question, I'll get back to it straight away. We see that some pairs moving in a sideways, especially euro, might give us a trading opportunity. So this session will be focused mostly on euro, but I'll look at everything, that including indices and cryptos. So let's see one by one. First, before I begin, let me quickly give you a recap of what's happening with euro. So what we see that euro AUD primarily dropped and again started to push up. So let's see what happened. As you know that this current 4-hour candle is going to close after 1.5 an hour later. But what we see that there will be a news release, and that news release basically will give us what might happen. We'll know which way the market might be heading, and that will give us a big edge on the market. So let's see one by one. We'll look at all of them. Looks like that euro still looks bullish until the news released. Then we'll see what happened, which way the candlestick is forming. Then we'll know how to trade. But so far looks like that euro CAD, euro CHF, euro GBP. Euro GBP looks like in a sideways, but looks like euro AUD still bullish, but at any point it could turn into bearish market. That's why we need to see the news candle, how this is happened. Basically we need one candle at least to trade. That will give us what you want in euro. So in the meantime, what you guys and girls are thinking, let me quickly look at it. Kakulan, hello Kakulan, how are you? Dhanashikar presented coach, thank you Dhanashikar. Dennis, hi Wizard Gold, yeah, we'll look at it. Wisdom, hi coach, thank you Wisdom. Pawin, hello Pawin, thank you. Rizban, good evening. Justin, morning. Morning everyone. Hi Nizam, thank you Justin for joining this live session. Shefi, smash the like button. Yes, smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. There's a lot of value in this channel. You'll see over time no one does better than Wizard in this YouTube. You can go through all of them and you'll see how this live stream is different than anyone. So make sure you take full advantage of it. Participate in conversation, talk to everyone. If you have any question, ask. Definitely it will be answered. As long as you see that sometime I have too many requests, sometime I forget or I miss something, but you need to remind me over and over again so that I can get into it straight away. Why beginners are advised to trade USD pairs? Grandson has a good question. Let's answer this. Grandson asks why beginners advised to trade USD pairs only. The reason is USD pairs is volatile and low spread. That could be the reason why beginners are advised to trade USD pairs. And also, you know, some exotic pairs need a good management. For example, during the weekend, during the Asian session, the spread became widened, and that time if you are trading on, let's say on an exotic pair, you might have a difficulty in managing That's why beginners are advised to trade on USD pairs. But if you just have a little bit of experience, you can trade in anything, no problem at all. Virun, hi sir, how are you? I'm very good. Vumaya, hi sir, thank you. Apple Kamini, hello. Varun, hi, teach me GBP USD. We'll look at it. GBP USD, euro, dollar, everything we'll look at. Just be patient, and also don't forget to, as I told you, smash the like button. And also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So in the meantime, let's begin with GBPUSD. Many of you are asking GBPUSD. Looks like the GBPUSD little bit of showing bullish move, but as I told you, during yesterday, I think in this zone I was live streaming here or here, GBPUSD is moving purely in a sideways. You see, purely in a sideways. I really don't trade this kind of market. That's why you saw that I even didn't post analysis on GBPUSD. It's because it's in a sideways. See, sometime I'll tell you a pattern that I have recognized. Always keep in mind that I see that normally in over long experience, the second week of the month, okay, second week and third week, normally the price moves in a sideways. Most of the time you'll see that the first week of the month and the last week of the month, mostly all the pairs are highly volatile and give us a good trading opportunity. And that's the advantage mostly I take, because the last week of the month is the monthly, weekly candle close. The pairs are highly volatile, and there are quite a few news release happen. The first week of the month is NFP always. So NFP is crazy always. Okay. So if you are a patient trader, if you trade only NFP, you are done. If you have a good trading account or good trading psychology, if you only trade NFP, you don't have to do anything. But I trade only NFP, and also I trade other pairs also, because I have my students. I need to teach them trading. If I wait for only for NFP, then I have to maybe trade 2 or 3 trade in a month. But if you are not, let's say if you are not a teacher, you are just a trader, then I would suggest you, if you have a good trading account, then hold for NFP only and trade it. That will be enough. If you have let's say if any one of you have a 100K account, okay, wait for NFP only, okay, and trade once in a month. That will be done. Okay, so what kind of trade you can find in NFP? Let me show you. See, I remember every trade without looking at chart, without looking at time frame. I can tell you when the trade happened in NFP, and you can check it with the real chart and see that what I say is right or wrong. That's why, see, this is what it is. Look at this. I even didn't look at any calendar. Now I put a circle here. Go to the chart, go to the Forex Factory, and see if this trade happened in NFP. If you trade this one, okay, if you trade this one, see how much money you can make from this trade. Okay, so there is quite a few trade. This one also during the news release, that one, that is a awesome trade in USD. It's a huge trade if you can take it in a proper risk management. So like this, okay, you'll find quite a few trade. That one trade will give you everything you need to become profitable, or you need to make money for living or for whatever you want to do. Okay, so that's why you need to be patient for trading, and at the same time keep eye on the market. So let me see what you guys and girls are up to. Zabir Shah, hi sir, how are you? Thank you. Javir, Virun, sir, GBPUSD. So let's go back to GBPUSD and let me finish analysis of GBPUSD, and then I'll see what you guys and girls up to. So GBPUSD, what I'm thinking now is let me see the monthly. Okay, so GBPUSD looks to me that it might go in a sideways for a bit more time. Weekly, you see, this is the weekly. Now what I am thinking, GBPUSD, this is the weekly chart, okay, because when market in a sideways, always jump onto higher time frame to see a direction in the market, because if lower time frame in a sideways, it's sometimes difficult for you to understand which way the market is heading. That's why you need to watch on the lower time frame in the market when the market is moving in a sideways higher time frame. So Gbpusd, you see previous week there has been a, after this green candle, immediately the next one came down, right? As soon as this one opened, we saw that there is a little bit of bullish momentum. Okay, so what I think that Gbpusd will do, tomorrow is the last day of trading week, right? And what I think that during this news release, Gbpusd might go up, might go along this trend line, what I think that, and then might come back down again, might close as a doji. So I think that Gbpusd weekly close will be as a doji. That means that Gbpusd for tomorrow, today, will be in a sideways. That's what I think. So I could be wrong, trading is like that, but you see this is the daily chart and there is nothing to be traded here, purely sideways market. Okay, after this it's in a sideways. Okay, there is no way you can predict this market on the low, even on the hourly time frame you can't trade this kind of market. There's no way you can predict this market. So what I suggest you to wait for the news release tomorrow. I think today also, let me see the Forex factory when the news is being released. Okay, let's see Forex factory calendar. So this is the news site. As you probably know that always you need to look at the Forex factory. It's a free website for finding the news announcement timing. You can use other website as well. So today, tonight, that means in Sydney, 1 AM there is news release on CAD, but tomorrow is mainly the 10:30 PM USD CAD news release, where you will have USD as well as CAD, and definitely this one also will cover in this live session. So make sure today you smash the like button and also press the subscribe button, because in USD CAD news release I'm sure that we will find a good trading opportunity. So the first news is going to release now on Euro. Let's see what it is on Euro today at 9:45. So it is 9:42 on Sydney now. Let me see what it is. So main refinancing rate as well as monetary policy statement now. This could be tentative. So let's see at 9:45. So let's see how Euro is reacting to it. So looks like that Eurojpy is going to be bullish. Euro CHF as expected looks like going up, showing bullish momentum. Euro AUD, because AUD is very AUD, Euro AUD, Euro dollar. So all of them, Euro dollar also looks to me in a sideways. So let's see first of all how the price is reacting to it, and then we'll see how we can trade it. Euro CAD, Euro AUD. So there will be two news release. Okay, at one at 10:30 PM. After 45 minutes we'll cover that one as well. So but for now looks like that as expected, the price showing a bullish momentum. Euro CAD, see the price, okay, there is a big jump on Euro. As I told you, see the price has created an inverted head and shoulder on Euro CAD, and Euro AUD jumped. We are on a trade on Euro AUD, buy trade on this one. I have to tell my VIP members to close some of the profit because the price is crazily going up. We are in some profit on this one. So let me tell my subscribers, my VIP members, to close 30%. Okay, 50% of your position, 50% profit on Euro AUD. Okay, so because the price is going up, it's a news release. At any point the price started to reverse, so we closed 50% of our profit on Euro AUD. In case the price reverse hit our stop loss, no problem, we are safe now. That means once you 50% close 50%, that means that even if the price reverse, you shouldn't have a big loss or any loss. So that being said, euro CHF as well, we saw that after 1 hour 15 minutes this candle is going to close, but looks like that for the news we saw a spike. But let's see, at the close of the candle we will find a lot of idea actually what might happen. So Eurojpy, this one also a very strongly bullish market. Now at this point we saw that there is a reaction, it's still there. So we'll see all of them what might happen. After the news release we might find a direction in the market. Okay, so as you see that Euro AUD now came down again, jumped down. So that's what happened during the news release. You will have a push up and push down. Okay, so Euro AUD, let's see what happened. Now looks like we'll go down and then it might go up again. So let's see, let me see the 15 minutes candle on Euro AUD. Okay, so it came down for hunting. You see that's what I want. I think that we might find a doji on Euro AUD. If we find a doji, looks like to me that this candle might close here as a like this as a doji. That would be really another buying opportunity. I think if it closes as a doji like that, then I'll go for long, because there is a support here. You see this red candle giving us a support on Euro AUD, and that could give us a bullish price action. Euro CAD, you know, over the long term it's bearish Euro CAD. Okay, this one also, let's see what happened. We might see at the end a bullish candle or a bearish candle. Okay, let's see, or maybe a doji. Okay, we might even see a doji on Euro CAD, but CAD is very strong, as you know that. Okay, Euro CHF also reversed to the other side. Eurojpy, so Eurojpy past 4 hours has created an wickless candle in this zone. That's basically a bearish price action again. Over the long term it's a bullish pattern. Okay, bullish price action, but the past 4 hours we have seen Eurojpy has given us a wickless candle. Okay, after this wickless candle, let's see if we see that Eurojpy has given us a doji here. Okay, like this doji, maybe we could sell even Eurojpy, because if you look at the bigger picture on the monthly, the price is in a very historically high level. This price last visited in 2014. Now this price is here. So going to the weekly, we saw back-to-back 4 weeks uprise. Daily, there is a big move. You see, it's a big move. Now we can expect a retracement on Eurojpy. And with that said, we saw that past 4 hours there was a reversal pattern here. Okay, with that reversal pattern, we saw that Eurojpy with a wickless candle broke down. Now let's see how this one is closing, then we'll decide what we can do. Okay, so Euro and ZD doing the same thing, creating a candle that let's see after closing, then I will know what might happen. At this point actually can't tell you. Euro dollar also going up and down. Daily, okay, so daily we saw already daily high is broken on Euro dollar, and then we saw that the price now broke down. So let's see what happened. We might find a trading opportunity on Euro dollar and Eurojpy. So let me see. So be patient and wait for the price to give us an opportunity to trade. Okay, guys and girls, Euro Gbp, Eurojpy. Let me see what happened. See Eurojpy, let me tell you something. Eurojpy, this is basically a reversal pattern, okay, on Eurojpy. Now after this reversal pattern, you see there is a wickless candle here. There is no wick at the top. It's a bearish engulfer, okay. Now this one looks like to me that it might create, if this one closes as a doji like that, okay, so a bearish engulfer followed by a doji could give us selling opportunity, okay, because even it could be buy, as I told you, but we need to see how the candle is forming. That's why I'm telling you we need to see what happened, and then we'll consider buying or selling. Euro NZD, see, let's say it's closing like that, okay, that's a bullish engulfer on a support, that's a bullish price action. But if this one closes down below like that, it could be a bearish signal. Okay, Euro AUD, that you see this one is a bullish engulfer, okay, this kind of price action, but we don't know how it will close, right? That's why we need to wait for price to give us an opportunity to trade. But let me see that news, what happened, what's the result, okay. Okay, so 0 no change, okay, so no change means that long term, like the market may not show much reaction. Initially it is showing reaction, but it might settle down to the original initial trend. So we'll look at it, what happened. Now Eurojpy, okay, Eurojpy, we see that this candle is going up, but we could be able to sell from here. But first let's the price go up. It might even cross this high and then could come down, okay. Let's see. Euro AUD again pushed up. If we look at the weekly on Euro AUD, you see this is the price action on Euro AUD on the weekly, daily. Okay, maybe we need to close our position on Euro AUD because we'll enter again if we find close full position on Euro AUD. Okay, so we'll look at it later what happened. We have closed full position with profit. So let's see what happened on Euro AUD. After the candle close, we might find an entry on Euro AUD. So Euro CHF, okay, looks like the way I expected. Euro CHF, this is a nicely bullish pattern, and I want this candle to be closed as a bullish engulfer, okay, and then we can find trading opportunity. Euro GBP as well. Okay, Euro dollar, minutes. So during the news release, never trade, okay. Wait for the news to be settled, okay. That's, never make a mistake of trading during news release. Always keep in mind, always wait for the mud to be settled and then you will hunt. That is the smart traders approach, okay. If you trade during the news release, you might be caught. You see, Euro CAD, to me, it's creating an inverted head and shoulder. You see, this is an inverted head and shoulder. And at the same time, if you look at the monthly, Euro CAD basically bounced exactly from the monthly support. You see, this is interesting to me. It could be a big bounce on Euro CAD. You see, exactly from the same point on the monthly, Euro CAD bounced. Okay, now after this bounce, what we might see that Euro CAD is going up, creating testing the top of the doji, or at least middle of the doji. Okay, so from weekly perspective, the price already where it has opened, okay, after the bounce. From the daily perspective, this is what it is. You see, Euro CAD, what happened on the daily, the price higher, but when it come to down, it just created an equal high. So that means that the price will go up again, will test this higher high, maybe will create a lower high, and then will come back down again. So that means that Euro CAD has a potential to rise up. Okay, looks like that the price is doing as it is. As you see that there is a inverted head and shoulder on the 4-hour time frame. This is the neckline of this head and shoulder. This is the right shoulder, left shoulder, head, and we can say that Euro CAD could continue to rise. Okay, so Euro CHF, Euro AUD, okay, Euro CAD, that's what I predicted. As I told you, I thought that Euro will continue to rise. Okay, and looks like that the price is creating a pattern, but we are still not sure. As I told you, we need to see the next news release. Maybe in the next news release we might see that again reversing and creating a doji. Okay, so let's see, guys and girls, what happened, and then we'll see. So to me, nice price action is Euro CAD. Okay, because Euro CAD long term bearish, but short term we saw that there is a sideways movement. You see, this is a support and resistance strategy. There is a support here, the price bounced, the price came back to the same level of support, bounced. Now we saw that same bounce happen, and we can expect it to go up again, right? That's what support and resistance. The price will come back to the support, will bounce, will go back to the resistance, will bounce. Okay, so with that said, Euro CAD looks like bullish. Okay, let this price action to be closed, and then we will consider trading Euro CAD. Okay, Euro AUD, the same situation. We saw that there is a doji has been formed here, and from the doji the price started to move to the upside. Usdjpy created a reversal pattern here and then broke down. Now at this point we still not sure. Looks like that it might come down a little bit. JPY might get a little bit of stronger, but let's see if this current candle break this high, okay, close above, then we might see further continuation. Depends on the strength of euro, how much strong it is. So let's quickly look at other pairs: AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY, AUD NZD, AUD Aussie dollar, CAD CHF, CAD JPY, Euro AUD, just looking at all of them quickly to see who is doing what. Okay, so let's see what you guys and girls are writing, thinking about this news release and everything. Jonathan, good afternoon, sir. Shafi Ahmed, I think gold will drop. We'll look at gold now. Ishtiaq Ali, high euro USD. We'll look at it. We have seen euro dollar and GBP USD looks like that sideways, but we'll look at it. GBP USD, Varun, okay, Grandson, Mayana, Jane, hello sir. Helen, hi. Mayana, euro AUD entry at 1.4903. very good, Mayana. So you should be having a good profit now. Euro AUD, it's almost 50-60 p profit. Very good job, Helen. We can check euro USD, GBP USD. Yeah, we already look at it. Ishtiaq Bhati, euro USD. Yeah, look at it. 5 minutes for the news. Kakulan says, yeah. Mate, do you have a daily profit target that is 1% or 2% account balance? Mate, okay, it's an important factor. So mate, M-E-A-T, holic, it could be just in username, asked a question. He says that do you have a daily profit target, 1% or 2% of account balance? It's a very important question. Let's discuss it a little bit. You guys need to know about it. Okay, do I have a daily profit target, 1% or 2%, like that? Remember, always remember that trading is a business, but it's very different from any other business. Okay, let's say you have a shop. Okay, you have a shop and you have a target to sell. Okay, let's say you have an apple shop. Your target is every day you sell 10 apple. Okay, this is your target. So when you have a goal to sell 10 apple each day, then you started to think about it, that how can I sell that apple, 10 apple in a day? Maybe I can open my shop early, right? Maybe I can do some advertisement. Maybe I can improve my customer service, make people more happy so that they buy my apple. Okay, that is how you can increase your sell in apple. But trading is completely different. Keep in mind, if you have a target, daily target or monthly target, or a goal of how much money you will be earning from trading, that could be a trouble for you. Keep in mind. Okay, never keep a target on trading. The reason is you don't know what market will give you. You see, today this is the gold market, right? Now this is a purely sideways market. No way to trade in this market. Okay, now if you have a daily target, how many days the market is moving in a sideways? Now what will happen if you have a daily target? Your subconscious mind will try to manipulate you to take a trade, because you have a target. You need to pay the bill, or you have a commitment. You need to make money, right? So that's why do not keep any target on trading, because the market, when it will give you a trading opportunity, you don't know. Okay, so if you have a target, then you will force yourself to take a trade. That is not good for your trading. Chances that you will be taking false trade, or maybe when there is no trade, you might be forcing yourself for a trade. So then what is your goal in trading? The goal in trading is different. The goal of trading is to stay disciplined. Let's say you can set a goal saying whatever disciplinary rules you have. Let's say you have a rules to trade with 0.5% risk for 3 months. Okay, this is your goal, one goal, and stick to that goal. And that could be a goal because that is in your hand. The market is not in your hand, but the risk management is in your hand. So this could be a goal that you can write a goal that, okay, next 3 months I'm not gonna take more than 0.5% risk, and that is my challenge. One goal. Another goal you can keep, okay, let's say I will be trading specific strategy. Okay, there is a millions of strategies. You can find a lot of strategies on YouTube. You can learn my premium strategy that I teach my Gbpusd students in my website. You can find the link in the description. You can check it out. So you can have a target on how to, let's say, specific strategy that you might say, okay, I will trade only this condition fulfill, then I will trade, otherwise no. That could be a goal. Okay, so no financial goal, but the disciplinary goal, that could be an awesome a trading psychology for you in terms of but I don't keep any target, as I told you. That's very important. Also, good day coach. Rizban, Usdjpy, can we take a long trade from now? I have to look at it. Let's say Chem, hi all. Mayak, booked profit Euro AUD, crazy move. Thank you Mayak, awesome. That is my goal. You see, today I have posted analysis on YouTube. You have seen, guys and girls, and the price did exactly. Now do one thing. I saw that the like is less yet. Smash the like button, everybody, and also anyone didn't subscribe yet, do this now. I give you 3 seconds. No, 3 seconds too low. Let's say 10 seconds. I pause just for smash the like button and also subscribing to the channel. 10 seconds pause. I will count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thank you for supporting Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So Madhu, dollar yen sir, you look at it. Chem, you are the best, absolutely. Euro AUD, thank you Chem. Please can you look at GJ? Yeah, we'll look at it. Varun, Gbpusd, Chem, USD CHF, please. Yeah, we'll look at it. Tradon, Snows, AUD, and ZD, we'll look at it. We'll look at all of them, how they are doing. So in the meantime, let's see quickly how the pairs are doing now. Let's look at Eurojpy. Okay, Eurojpy going bullish with all this Euro AUD as expected. The price now exploded to the upside. Euro CAD as well doing the same thing. It's bounced from the monthly support. Now we see that a very good bullish move. That's awesome. Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF. Looks like CHF is a bit stronger. That's why it's creating a doji. But good one is Euro CAD, because Euro CAD has a huge momentum. Because it's from the monthly support, so it has a momentum yet. Euro AUD also has a momentum. Eurojpy also has a momentum because Eurojpy over the long term it's bullish. Euro and ZD also having a momentum. Euro dollar not that much momentum because dollar is stronger. It's in a sideway, but looks like it's trying to create, it's kind of bullish pattern, but it's a sideway market. Okay, I can't predict this market when it is in a sideway. It's not a predictable market at all, so leave it. Look at the one that is giving you trading opportunity, like Euro AUD, Euro CAD, and many other pairs. So AUD CAD, okay, AUD CHF, AUD and ZD. So they are basically AUD and ZD looks, it's a long-term bullish, but it's in the middle now. Let's see on the progress of this session. We'll look at it. Aussie dollar, AUD USD, is still sideways. So most of the AUD pairs, like the USD pairs, on a sideways. CAD/JPY looks like trying to go up during this movement, but long term, you see CAD/JPY is a very strongly bullish market. The price, as soon as they came down, the bulls taking this advantage now. Okay, guys. CHF/JPY, Euro CAD, Euro AUD, Euro CHF, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, Euro NZD. So most of the Euro pairs looks like bullish. Okay, guys. GBP AUD. Okay, GBP. So against AUD looks like getting weaker, and GBP AUD also has created a little bit of bullish move. British pound US dollar on a sideways. GBP CAD also creating a bullish move. GBP CHF, GBP JPY bullish. GBP NZD also creating a bullish pattern. If we look at the weekly, daily, so far bullish. So gold, you see gold, if you are trading, let's say in 5 minutes or 1 minute, that's a different story. But gold in a purely in a sideways. Okay, this is what I actually predicted in my weekly forex forecast. If you have seen that, what did I say after this doji, that gold is likely to create another doji. Bias is a little bit bearish, but it's still in a sideways. Okay, on the lower time frame, because Euro AUD, like Euro dollar, AUD USD, like the Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, British pound, dollar, US dollar, they are going in a sideways. That's why gold also in a sideways. Okay, GBP JPY, one of you have requested GBP JPY. GBP JPY, as I told you, over the long term it's bullish. As soon as the price came near 20 period moving average, we saw that there is a bullish move happen again. Okay, another, I think that it might go up again. Okay, looks like it's again bullish. There is a buying happen, there is a long week candle you saw, and then we saw that the price is going up again, because yen is basically very, very weak. So I think dollar yen doing the same thing. Yeah, looking, pushing high. Dollar yen, you see, after the change of trend, still it didn't test the 20 period moving average. As soon as the price came near 20 period moving average, we saw that the bulls are again pushing the price high. So dollar yen is bullish. Okay, in the meantime, let's see what you guys and girls, Euro USD, dollar yen, so target. Okay, so dollar yen bullish, it's a long term bullish. The price came down here, and we saw that from this previous resistance support I tested, didn't test this fully 20 period moving average, but from here we saw that bullish. So when this is what happened, when you see a strongly bullish market, this is daily time frame, you saw as soon as the price came little down, and then we saw that the bulls now buying again. Okay, so this may not be the starting of the candle, but what we might see, the next one may be coming down around to the zone, and again maybe we might see that again from here maybe it is pushing high. Okay, So that could be a good opportunity for dollar yen. Okay, going to the daily, looks like that. Looks like it this daily candle might be closing as a like this one as a doji or something like that, but dollar yen, what it might do, a pattern here, and then it could just continue to rise. Okay, so dollar yen is bullish. Mila, hello Nizam, happy to join live today with you. We may have some long trading opportunity with JPY pairs, JPY pairs. Yes, Mila, you are 100% right. That's what I was discussing. Paranoid, okay, and there is a name, paranoid. It could be username, but yeah, that's what I'm telling, that Euro AUD is now going strongly bullish. So yes, yeah, we have like euro now looks a bit bullish, and euro JPY could be a nice one. You see the price broke this. Okay, euro JPY now looking like creating a bullish engulfer here. Okay, so it came down to this level, tested this previous resistance as support, and we see that euro JPY now are going to the upside. So euro JPY, okay, I would suggest, I would recommend, like my takeaway will be euro AUD and euro JPY. Okay, euro AUD now already pushing high, but my takeaway is euro JPY, because JPY is very weak. Okay, and euro getting stronger, so dollar yen and euro JPY could be a good one for buying this move. Okay, so let's see what happened, and then we'll see. In the meantime, euro dollar, please. Yeah, so I thought many of you are interested on euro dollar, but I will suggest about, so euro dollar now looking like coming out of the range. You see this one, still 42 minutes to go. We have one more news to go. You see that's 10:30, which is just 13 minutes later. Now this news could be a game changer. Okay, because after that news, then we will know what might happen. Okay, euro dollar, you see there has been a higher low has been created. Now this one looks like that it is trying to create kind of bullish engulfer. Okay, but we need to see a complete breakout of this range on euro dollar and retest, and then we can say that euro dollar will be bullish. But at this point, I can't tell what's happening with euro dollar. If you see that this is the 4-hour time frame resistance here. Okay, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and now we see that currently euro dollar just now breaking out of the range. But don't jump on a buy trade now. Okay, what is the normal procedure is let the candle close, let it test as this resistance as support, and then we can think of buying euro euro dollar. So euro JPY looks like that, there was a wickless candle here that has been broken. Now let's see how this current one is closing. We'll know what might happen. Looks like that it might create a bullish engulfer. Okay, euro JPY. If it does, then that could give us a good trading opportunity on the euro JPY. Okay, it's a very strongly bullish market. Viva, okay, Viva Pandy, sir, I'm currently $530 profit in USD CHF. Should I close my position? Will it rise higher? So let me see USD CHF. USD CHF, Viva, if you are in profit, depending on what account size you have, USD CHF, let me look at weekly. I think that we might see retracement. Okay, we might see retracement. Let me see the daily, but it is still have a potential to rise. Okay, USD CHF, but we might see a little more retracement, but still it is bullish. Okay, guys and girls, still it is bullish. Good evening, sir. How about USD CAD and USD CHF? Thank you. So look at USD CAD. You see CAD is getting a little bit of weaker. So with that being said, USD CAD trying to create a pattern, a little bit of bullish pattern, but I'm still, there is no trade on USD CAD. Okay, the reason is because the real trade will come tomorrow. So make sure you also join tomorrow. Okay, we'll trade this USD CAD news release tomorrow live, and I am almost, let's say, I can tell you that almost 95% sure that during this news release or after this news release we will find a good trade on this one. So don't miss that out. Not to miss that, make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button. And as you, if you wanna trade as our VIP member, then go to the description area, join our VIP team. As you have seen that Euro AUD, we have secured a good profit. I have also posted the analysis on YouTube before happening, so you know that that's what it is. That's this Forex Wizard Trading Academy. If you want to learn my strategy, I'll suggest you to join my lifetime access. That's the best value discount going on, which will be ending soon. So let's see Euro CAD. Okay, as expected, to me that I'm coming back and forth on Euro pair is because looks like that Euro CAD is changing its trend. Okay, you see there is this is a inverted head and shoulder. This is what I expected exactly, and in this inverted head and shoulder we have seen that, you see there is this is the head, left shoulder and right shoulder with a bullish engulfer. Looks like it's going to be a bullish engulfer on Euro CAD, and with that bullish engulfer, what we have seen that the price, this is the monthly support zone, bounced from this monthly support, now created this bullish engulfer, and in this head and shoulder we have seen a lower higher low on the right side. So that means that we might see a change of trend in Euro CAD on the lower time frame, not on a higher time frame. On the lower time frame means like we can expect Euro CAD now to come back to this level of resistance again after this bounce. So that could give us a good trading opportunity. Even if you, let's say, if we consider going long, even with a bigger stop loss, keeping here, targeting this resistance here, could give us even 1 to 2 would be a good trading opportunity on Euro CAD. But we might wait for candle close and then come back for retracement. Okay, so Euro GBP, yeah, all the Euro pairs showing a strong bullish move. Euro CHF now also coming out of the range. Euro AUD as expected, it's crazy now. This is what I expected. Euro CHF, Euro JPY. Okay, so let me see the daily on Euro JPY. Okay, so that is a bullish candle. Euro JPY, Euro NZD. So Euro dollar also getting stronger. Okay, so let me tell you Euro CAD. Okay, so Euro CAD, I'm biased. My recommendation or my takeaway is all the Euro pairs showing bullish. Euro CHF also, you see this is a nice bullish uptrend. If this one closes like that, Euro CHF, okay, as a bullish candle, you see there is a long wick bullish candle. If closes here like that could be a good buying opportunity. Okay, Euro CHF, that could be a buying opportunity. Euro CAD, Euro AUD, as expected, it's moving in with aggressive move. Euro GBP, Euro JPY also. So all the euro now looking bullish after this news release. Let's see what happened. Dollar, so euro dollar, but I can't tell you exactly now euro dollar is bullish, because euro dollar is it's breaking up, but we don't know either it will continue or not. On the daily it's a bullish pattern has been created, but still long term, you see this is the long term is bearish. So let's first this euro dollar candle to be closed and let it retest of this previous resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Let it close and then test as a support. Let it show creating a series of higher low, and then we can say that euro dollar can go bullish. Euro CAD crazily bullish now. See, Euro CHF, Euro GBP, now everything is getting crazy now. Okay, euro looks like getting crazy. That's what I expected. That's why I send this trade to our VIP members on Euro AUD. I know that that's gonna get crazy. Okay, so that's what it is. Let's see what happened. So currently, guys, I'm just looking on trade on euro. Looks like USD CAD also trying to be bullish. Okay, CAD is getting a bit weaker now, because there has been a crazily bullish before CAD. So I'm just looking at all of them to give you guys and girls an idea of what might happen. So let's see bigger picture now on Euro NZD and Euro pairs. So Euro NZD, bigger picture also, it's a bullish market. Euro JPY is crazily bullish. Euro GBP is turning into bullish. Okay, so that could be a really a breakout if it happens, because Euro GBP for a very long time it was bearish. Okay, now it is turning a bearish market into a bullish market, and this week we saw the price came to this weekly level of support, and from here we saw that there has been a bounce. Okay, Euro GBP, look at the 4 hour, we saw this one also has created an inverted head and shoulder, and you see that there is a breakout to the upside on Euro GBP. So with that candle close, it can give us a buying opportunity with a pending order, but we'll see Euro GPY now creating a bullish engulfer. Okay, let it first close. It already crossed this wickless candle. Okay, and this bullish engulfer crossed the previous one's low completely, now crossing the previous one's high, and I will be happy to trade Euro JPY than any other pair, is because long term, if you look at the monthly, Euro JPY is long term bullish, weekly bullish, daily very bullish, and on the 4 hour also now creating a bullish move. So Eurojpy, Euro NZD, Euro CAD. Euro CAD is also freshly bullish. Okay, if you look at the monthly, all right, so there is a bounce from this monthly support on Euro CAD. Look at the weekly, we saw that there was a bounce, and daily, after this daily bounce, we saw this one is going up now, but it might just have a little reaction from this 20 period moving average. But I think that Euro CAD really strongly bullish. Okay, so Euro CAD is stronger than other because it has bounced from this monthly support, and because it has bounced from this support, it is likely that it will travel to this resistance. That's where we can find a good trade on Euro. So Euro AUD crazy. Okay, AUD and ZD also trying to going in a sideway. Euro CAD, Euro CHF. So let me see Euro CHF monthly. Okay, the price Euro CHF weekly, daily. So this is a new candle. Okay, after so there is another, now there is another news release is being this, there is another at 10:30, so ECB press conference. So after this one, we'll see a direction in the market. Okay, we'll see a clear direction in the market. And even we could see a drop and creating maybe a shooting star, or maybe closing somewhere here in the next 28 minutes. Let's see if it does, then yeah, that's a good opportunity. But where you can, if you, let's say, if you miss Euro CAD, then where is the best place for entering buying on Euro CAD is, let me give you an idea. So when you see on the Euro CAD, there has been an inverted head and shoulder, right? So let me draw this head and shoulder. There has been an inverted head and shoulder like that, right? Now if you see inverted head and shoulder, or a head and shoulder, or any kind of reversal pattern, you can expect the price come back to this level of support again. This resistance will be tested as support, and then will go up. That is the normal way. This the right way to trade a trending market. So Euro CAD, if this is the case, then there is a resistance here on Euro CAD. Resistance should be tested as support, and then should be going up. So with that said, Euro CAD, as you have seen that the price has created this bullish candle now after 26 minutes going to close, and it's not a good idea just to trade like that. Instead, waiting for a best risk to reward, waiting for the price to come back to this level of resistance, testing as a support, resistance, testing as support, and that time could be a good idea to go long with Euro CAD when there will be retest. Euro AUD same, the price has created, you see this is the inverted head and shoulder. There's an inverted head and shoulder. As you have seen with our VIP members, we have secured profit on Euro AUD. Now if you wanna trade with us in our VIP team, you can check out the link in the description, and you can learn my strategies, and also you can receive the trade signal like that. So now this is the previous resistance here. You see this is the reversal pattern on Euro AUD, resistance. If it closes as a bullish engulfer on the retest of this previous resistance as support, could be a buying opportunity, but we need to see how the price is coming here, reacting to this previous resistance as support, then can be considered for buying on Euro AUD only. So Euro CAD, Euro AUD and Euro CHF is bullish. Okay. So AUD NZD looks like, let's see what happened. It could be bullish or could be bearish. Euro GBP, so all euros looks like bullish, including Euro JPY. So let the candle close on Euro JPY as well. If we look at the daily Euro CAD, so what we might see on Euro CAD before it changing its trend, after this testing of 20 period moving average on the daily on Euro CAD, we might see another push down, and along this zone we could see buying opportunity on Euro CAD. Okay, so that could be the fate of Euro CAD, Euro CHF, Euro JPY. Euro dollar also has created kind of bullish pattern. Okay, so that if that the trend change on Euro dollar, okay, that could blow out. Okay, because you see there is a bullish price action pattern, and Euro dollar was in a downtrend for a very extended period of time. So if this is the trend change on Euro dollar after this news release, that could explode to the upside. Okay, looks like that Euro dollar now showing a bullish price action. This is a bullish engulfer, and Euro dollar has created this the previous, there is a resistance here, has created a false breakout resistance, and also resistance. Upon closing of this candle, to avoid the trap of false breakout, what we need to wait for the price to test this resistance as support and a rejection from bottom. Otherwise you could be trapped like this one here, this one, all of this trapped. Okay, could be trapped at any point. So that's why it's important that we need to wait for the candle to be closed and to retest properly to avoid trapping with in Euro dollar. Euro JPY, I want this one to be closed past this weekless candle. So I want this current candle to close past this weekless candle, then we might see that Euro JPY has given us a nice bullish opportunity. In that case, we might be able to enter a trade from somewhere here, okay, along this doji. But first let it close as a bullish engulfer. So Euro GBP, you see this is a nice bullish price action, guys and girls. Euro GBP has created a inverted head and shoulder like the Euro CAD. So all Euro pairs has created an inverted head and shoulder, most of them, okay, to go up. Okay guys, so all news released. Okay, dollar yen, you see dollar yen looks like that. Let me see what's happening with dollar yen. Okay, there was a very extended move to the upside on dollar yen. Now we could potentially see a significant retracement on dollar yen. Okay, this is weekly chart. If you look at the 4 hour, the price was creating like this is kind of reversal pattern, but this is a very long-term bullish market, so I will not be brave enough to trade to the short side, because it's not a good idea to sell in a market that is rising. That is the worst thing you can ever do if you are selling on a strongly bullish market. Instead, try to buy the market that is rising, like the euro market now. Okay, yeah, I think my pick is EuroCAD. As you have seen that this one, I just as soon as I discussed, the price already moved up. So on the retest of the previous resistance as support can be traded. EuroCAD, Euro AUD is now pushing high, and I think that it will continue to rise up. EuroCAD, Euro CHF, ZD, Eurujpy. So you see Gbp USD is moving in a sideway, so we don't know which way to trade. Keep it aside. Gold also moving in a sideway. Only Aussie dollar I see that is weaker. Otherwise, most of the pair are very strong, including Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, Euro GBP. Euro GBP and Euro CAD is freshly bullish. Euro AUD freshly bullish. So that pairs, that market could be very stronger. Okay, guys. Hopefully that you found value in this session. Let me see what you guys and girls up to. USD CAD. Yeah, USD CAD is still not showing any clear direction. Tomorrow we will be trading USD CAD during this news release. So make sure you guys and girls make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell notification, so that tomorrow when I will be in this live stream, you don't miss out anything. As you have seen that everything is going according to the plan. Ishtiaq, Euro, USD. So we have covered most of your pairs. Hopefully that everybody enjoyed. In the meantime, guys, if you want to join my strategy, if you want to join my program VIP team and also learn my strategy, you can visit the description area. With that said, I'm ending this live trading session. Tomorrow, don't miss out this USD CAD news release like this one will be covering. As you have seen, we have covered all the Euro pairs today, and definitely I'm sure that you found a good trade on Euro CAD, as I have mentioned this one starting with the session. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, and also if you want to join, check it out. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. In the meantime, don't take a big risk when you are trading. Always manage your risk and stay managed. See you tomorrow.